Hey everyone, Tony Cola, Goldwell Artist, United States. Hope you're doing well at home right now. I've been working on a really cool technique today. Over the past couple weeks, obviously hairdressers, we can't sit still because creativity never stops. What I've been working on is this lovely fringe created with a razor and a couple of my favorite products. Used a little bit of this Curly Twist serum. And then for styling, we utilized some surf oil. So just in a few seconds, I'm going to share with you guys how we created the fringe and finished the style. I hope you enjoy it. So we've isolated the fringe, working from recession to recession, ending in a point on top of the head. We're going to go through utilizing the razor. We're going to work with horizontal sections. We'll start from the center, working out. Could be square, could be slightly triangular, or rounded, depending on choice. We'll work over directing, moving the razor first, making sure the edge touches the hair and removes length. Go through just with the tip of the razor to remove any little bits that may have occurred. Elevating a little bit more, having more open or taller stroke with the razor to create more texture. Pushing it back and forth to check for balance and texture. Assess the shape. Very tall, big stroke with the razor to create lots and lots of texture and airiness. All right, to finish the styling, we're gonna use Curly Twist, number 2, surf oil. We're gonna apply it to the fringe and the rest of the hair. Just trying to encourage a little bit of texture. It says brilliant shine and a little bit of grip to make sure that this style holds all day, but is touchable. All right, so here's our finished look. Erica, she's got her soft French fringe with a razor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's more education coming on this channel. Check it out, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. We can't wait to see you guys on the road, in our academies. We can't wait to see on your Instagram and Facebook pages what you guys create. Thank you for tuning in. We wish you nothing but the best.